CQDX, New York 202 USA. We're trying. How about it, Ireland?
Traffic came back with it, but I heard it the first time. Here is 73030 Jamaica Radio.
CQDX, Northern New York 202 USA. We're trying to get across that pond.
Hey, 202-24, North Island, spoken Northern Ireland, 22, check.
Copy on that, copy. I got some of it back, my friend, but there's a few on the channel. This is New York 202. Try again, please.
1124.
Thank you, my friend. I'm glad I'm getting through to Northern Ireland. You're doing a good job. You got a nice signal, about a 5.7 and running, but a lot of channels. Thank you again for the contact. This is Northern New York 202, Operator Drew.
Okay, sir, Northern New York 202. Next hotel for Delta. Bye-bye.
Hey, Ian. It's nice to talk to you, my friend. Again, this is Drew. Nice signal when the channel's free. You're really rocking it, buddy.
Jack, sir, have a beautiful one. You're blowing smoke. 10-20 dB over. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, my friend, and you have a good day. God bless. New York 202's on the side.
1124, North Island,
CQDX, this is New York 202 USA, Adirondack Mountains. How about it across the pond there? Anybody have a copy still?
202, Drew, I think is Northern New York, did he say? How about it? Charlie Indian 555, listening.
Copy. I copied 05 at the end there, but I do have you in and out. When you're in, you're in. This is New York 202.
26, Charlie India 555. Call.
How about that 555? How about that 555? New York 202 USA.
202, Drew, QSL, mate. Hello.
Well, hello. It's good to talk to you, my friend. How are you?
You're coming through nice and strong, buddy.
I have the same with you, my friend. It's just you got a lot of friends on the channel and everybody's talking, but you got some nice audio and you're there.
We'll take that, Drew. We'll take that. Well, I'm sure we'll catch up soon as well. Cheers, mate. It's Chris in Yorkshire, England.
Copy, Chris in Yorkshire. How you doing again? It's good to hear from you. I got the video running. We'll get this up tomorrow. You're doing fine. Nice signal.
Copy. 73 CO2. Catch up soon. Cheers and beers. Have a good day.
Thank you much, Chris, and you have a good day. This is New York 202. Appreciate that contact, friend. New York 202, Adirondack Mountains, New York. Needlebender 01, Kate, you are in the distance, but I hear you, my friend.
Standing by.
Kate, I've got you right on the borderline, and there's 5 or 6 other stations on, but I can hear you in the background. It's nice to hear your voice again.
New York State.
888 New York State Mobile 702 Jamaica Radio.
How about
State Pride? How about 2 Division 222 World Radio 222? Alright, then you take care. 702 Radio.
CQDX, this is New York 202, responding back to Needle Bender 01. Kate, you still there?
Have a good one.
CQ, this is 117 Northern Ireland, trying. 202 Northern Ireland, what the wave.
How about that 222? This is 202. Loud and strong, my friend.
Yeah, 202, loud and proud here across the pond, making a good trip across here to 52 miles northwest of Belfast City. The operator name is Joe Juliet Oscar Echo, and the call is 68 Division World Radio 222. 202, what about you? How's it going today?
We're doing fine. And it's nice to talk to you also, Joe. This is Delta Romeo Echo Whiskey, Drew. We're in the northernmost part of the Adirondack Mountains in New York State, up by Canada. And a nice day today, sun. Got down to 45 degrees, a little cold last night, but it's beautiful. You're sounding really good, friend.
Yeah, thanks for that, Drew. Also, likewise, sounding good on my receive there, Drew. No problem at all, 202. Yep, we'll let it roll, Drew, and maybe we'll get a longer one the next day, my friend. You have a good day, sir. Welcome to the afternoon, your side, near New York City, 222 Northern Ireland. All say 73 and good day, Drew. Thanks for the call.
222. Joe, thank you. Again, very nice. I also go by CB Radio Ghost Talk on YouTube, and I'll be putting this up. I have a good copy, so that's CB Radio Ghost Talk YouTube, and we're a small friendly channel. Half are in the UK, the other half are in the States.
202, we're getting covered up here. A lot of stations in there. Drew, but I think you're on YouTube. You said something about YouTube, but yeah, it's pretty difficult there, Drew. A lot of stations calling there. 73 is my friend, all the very best. 202, this is 222 World Radio, Northern Ireland. We'll be back quiet, Drew. Good day to you.
Thank you, Joe. That's I'm CB Radio Ghost Talk on the tube. How about it, Kate? How's this Needle Bender 01? Are you still out there?
Well, here we go. 3-2 and that big 7. How's it going, my friend Gary? You're sounding good. Cheers up.
Well, we had Kate there for a brief. Some nice channels. Let's see what happens here.
Yeah, Roger, Gary. You take care and have a good day. You're sounding real loud here in my
Wow.
I had to turn the volume in this old Yahoo right back there when you keep that up there. So I'll tell you what, you're sounding real good here, Gary. 3-2 and a big 7, 222 Northern Ireland, 73 Gary, and good day. Yeah, click.
Have a good day. Nice relaxing day and all of it there.
So we were hearing Kate, so that's southern England down that area. You can't get much more south than that. She was there. Hey, it was nice hearing him.